So let us see question number 5. So in this first one is this equation we need to solve. Once it solved to quadratic equation, then by using quadratic formula we can solve it. X plus 1 by 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. So let us take this given equation and we'll solve into quadratic equation first. So okay, given question is this. So equation is x plus 1 by 2x plus 5 is equals to x plus 3 divided by 3x plus 4 and up to two significant figures. So let us find the quadratic equation first by cross multiplication. That is x plus 1 into 3x plus 4 is equals to x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. Okay, this step by doing cross multiplication. Okay. Then we can simplify this. On simplifying we will get x into 3x, so 3x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 4, just to simplify each and everything. Then 2x square plus 5x plus 6x plus 15. Take the x terms one side and if you simplify, then you'll get x square minus 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, take x square terms, x terms and constant one side, you'll get this. Now using this quadratic equation, then this we can write x square plus minus 4x plus minus 11 is equal to 0, because we need to use the quadratic equation formula for this. So here a, b, c value, x square coefficient is a, then a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to minus 11. Okay, by splitting middle term we can't get this, so we need to use the quadratic formula. Now once you know a, b, c values, then x is equals to, the formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, whole divided by 2a. Just to simplify, minus, this is formula minus, many of you will get confused, minus as it is, and b value is minus 4, so keep minus 4 again, plus or minus square root of b square, so minus 4 whole square minus 4ac, a is 1 and c is minus 11, whole divided by 2a, so 2 into 1, a is 1. Let us simplify and solve this. Then we'll get 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus to minus, so plus 11 4 is 44 by 2. Then that is 4 plus or minus square root of 44, 60 it is, so divide by 2. Then in bracket 4 plus or minus square root of 60 is 15 into 4 we can take, because square root of 4 is 2 we can write next step, so that is 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, so 2 root 15 divided by 2. Then 2 common in numerator place, 2 plus or minus root 15 divided by 2, so 2 to get cancelled. Then finally x is equals to 2 plus or minus root 15. Okay. Then square root of 15 you should use a long division method to find the values of that. So on simplifying we will get x is equals to, so long division method I am not telling, you can find out the other videos in the same links in from the same channel. So that is 2 plus or minus, once you can take x is plus square root of 15 or x is equals to 2 minus square root of 15. So from this both we will get x is equals to 5.87, because root 15 is 3.87, so root 15 value. So if you use long division method you can get that, so square root of 15 is 3.87. By doing long division method you can get. And one more, or x is equals to 2 minus it is, that means minus 1.89. Then by both, this is a similar, by simplification is approximately 5.9. This is minus 1.9. So up to significant figures, right? So we can solve this. Next one, point A lies on the line segment PQ joining P6, minus 6, Q minus 4, minus 1 in such a way that PA is to PQ is 2 is to 5. Okay. This formula will apply, section formula will apply to find out the point A. Then A also lies on this line 3x plus k into y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then find the value of k. First let us find out the point A. To find out that so here the points are given p6 comma minus 6, q minus 4 comma minus 1, and ratio pa is to pq is 2 is to 5. So that is a given pa by pq is equals to 2 by 5. So let's take the line. So is point P is given, that is 6 comma minus 6, and Q is also is given minus 4 comma minus 1, and A is the point somewhere in the middle, but PA to PQ is 2 is to 5. Then PA is 2, this must be 3. Okay, then PA by AQ. From this, PA by AQ is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, because 2 plus 3 is 5, because they gave PA by PQ is 2 by 5. Then from this you can use. Then by using section formula, you can find the coordinates of point A. Okay, by using so just use section formula to find out the A. That is, you take this is x1 y1, one is x2 y2, and ratio is m n. Then point A is x comma y. Then we can find out A. That is equals to, if you apply formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and m by 2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So we know x1 y1 m and n. So by substituting these points, m is to n is that 2 is to 3. Okay, then that is 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 6 by 2 plus 3, right? And here also same, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 6, just substitute the values as it is, 2 comma 3. Simplify this, you will get the value of A. So that is minus 8 plus 18 by 5, and minus 2 minus 18 by 5, and that is 2 comma minus 4, right? Minus 8 plus 18 is, that is 10, 10 by 5 is 2. Okay, so this is the A. So point A we got. Since A also, because A is 2 comma minus 4, but according to the condition, since A also lies on the given already equation, that is 3x plus k into y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. This point on this equation, 3x plus k into y plus 1 is equal to 0. In the place of x and y, just we will substitute the values. That is that be x and y. Then 3 into 2 plus k into y plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. By simplifying we get, so 3 2s are 6 plus k into minus 3 is equal to 0. 6 minus 3k is equal to 0. Then 3k is equal to 6. K is equals to 2. That's the value of k. Fine. So we can solve in this problem. And next one is probability. Let me see this question here. In this, a box contains cards bearing numbers 6 to 70. 6, 7, 8, 9, so on like that till 70. If one card is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it pairs. First one is one digit number. Second is number divisible by 5 and odd number less than 30. The composite numbers between 50 and 70. So let's take the sample space first. So they are given from 6 to, okay, see the data. Sample space. Always you should take the sample space, any probability question. So let it be S. So your sample space is from 6 onwards. So okay, 6, 7, 8, so on till 70. Right? Numbers are varying, that is number from 6 to 70. We should find out the total numbers. So n of S from 6 to 70 means 70 minus 5, because first 5 numbers are not there. 20 minus 5 is 65. So from 6 to 70, 65 numbers. This n of S is 65. Now let us take the first one. Here first event is one digit number. So if you observe one digit number, only 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, one more. From 10 onwards, 2 digits. Right? So here event one digit number. So one digit numbers are only 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's take event E1. Then n of E1 is equals to 4. Right? Then required probability. So probability of that event is, that is n of E1 by n of S. So 65. 4 by 65 is the probability of getting card drawn is one digit number. Right? Then favorable cases are these all. Next statement, favorable cases we'll see. Second one is a number divisible by 5. So which are the numbers are divisible by 5? Only from 6 to 70. So if we take it as event 2, so numbers are divisible by 5 is from 10, because 5 is not there in this, from 6 onwards. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. You can write till there, till the ending. That is 50, okay, 55, 60, 65 and 70. So till 70 also. Then if we count all this, there is n of E2. So you all can count, it's totally 13 are there. 13, right? Then probability of this event. So 13 by, and totally 65. You can cancel if it's possible. So 13 ones are 13 fives are. So 1 by 5 is the probability of getting the card drawn is divisible by 5. Right? And next is an odd number less than 30. Okay, odd number less than 30. So let us take this event 3. So odd number less than 30 means 29 below. So starting is 7, because 6 is even number. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. That's it. So n of this event is 12 numbers. Then probability of a card is drawn, that is only odd number less than, that is 12 by 65. Okay. Now composite numbers between 50 and 70. So between 50 and 70 composite numbers is right. Composite means which are not primes. So you know that. Then that is event 4. If you take this all, between 50 and 70 composite numbers are 51, 52, 53 is prime number. So next 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 59 is again prime number, so 60, 61 is prime, so 62. We must know all this data, then we can do fast. And 64, 65, 66, 68 and 69. Okay, below 70 they said. According to question, composite numbers between 50 and 70. So 50 and 70 is not included between them. That means if you count all these numbers and of this event, we have totally have 15 are there. Then probability of this event is 15 by 65. You can cancel with 5 table, 5 3s are 5 13, right? So 3 by 13. That's it. So 3 by 13 is the probability of the card is drawn is composite numbers between 50 and 70. These are the numbers we can solve. This is the problem 5. Now let us see question number 6 and we will solve these sums.